Guangzhou DOY Label Company Limited has a number of joint factories, is a professional comprehensive industry and trade enterprises for garment accessories and printing equipment. Our products are widely used in garment accessories, gifts and crafts, packaging and printing consumables, inkjet printers. DOY classified its leading products into 8 main series, over 100 sub-series, which the main series are heat transfer products, woven embroidered products, printed products, leather products, plastic products, digital printing machine, and metal products. We can provide OEM and ODM services. DOY has a wide selection range, which can meet your one-stop procurement needs. DOY Label set up the perfect supply chain management, quality control system, complete service management in order to respond to customers' requirements quickly, supply professional designs and technical advice. We are top Cantonese business company and AAA ranking on Alibaba Business Index. We have selected by Carrefour, PUMA, Disney, Red Bull, Coca-Cola, FILA, and other Fortune 500 companies as OEM factory. Our boss has over 20 years experience in the garment accessories production and sale, served many famous brands and got lots of good praise. Since it is over 10 years DOY Label has entered in Alibaba and our service won rave reviews. We have won a lot of high-quality clients from Europe and America, therewith a lot of good praise and brand production authorization. Our mission, coming the booster for the growth of clients' brands.